My beloved learner, I welcome you to this lesson. My name is Simon Idoloi from SEMAS. SEMAS in full is CIPRO e-learning management system. And we are still in primary 6 science term 3. Our theme is the human body and the topic is the reproductive system as it's on the board. We are in lesson 8 where we are discussing ovulation, menstruation and fertilization. We want to understand those terms and how they occur. We begin with the first one, ovulation. Ovulation is simply the process by which the ovary releases a mature ovum into the oviduct. The ovaries are two, like we saw in the previous lessons. One is to the left and the other is to the right. And therefore, every month they release at least a mature ovum into the oviduct. The ovulation process takes place every after 12 to 14 days from the day of the last menstruation. So it's dependent from one individual to another. There are those who have shorter days and then there are those who have longer days. The released egg or ovum takes about 4 to 6 days before it descends into the uterus for implantation. That is if fertilization has taken place or degeneration in case fertilization has not occurred. So mark the two and they get a difference. It descends to the uterine walls, one, when fertilization has taken place for implantation. Two, when fertilization has not taken place for degeneration. And when we talk about the degeneration, it means that the prepared walls of the uterus that were ready to receive a fertilized ovum now begin to be shed off, and that only happens in now the process that we call menstruation. So menstruation, from our previous lesson we gave the meaning, and the meaning here was telling us that it is bleeding from the vagina that happens about once in a month, and it occurs because the ovum and whatever was prepared to receive the fertilized ovum are shed off in the form of menses from the uterus. So that is now what we call menstruation. So menstruation is a normal change and only occurs once fertilization has not taken place. Remember, I emphasized